Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Facebook login code not received. So if you also want to fix Facebook login code not received, this video is just for you. Follow these simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So if you're also facing this problem, there are various ways to troubleshoot it. The first and simplest way to troubleshoot your problem is to use the recovery codes. If you have any saved recovery codes, you can go ahead and use that code in order to log into your account. But if you haven't saved any recovery codes, there are few things you can do in order to receive the login code. The first thing that you can do is check your network connection. Ensure you have a stable network connection. If your internet connection is not stable, that might be the reason why you're not receiving the code. So make sure to check your network connection. You can also try restarting your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. So you can also restart your device. For that, simply long press on the power button. Now you can simply tap on the option restart and restart your device. After that, try getting the code and you might be able to receive the verification code. Likewise, there are also other things that you can do. You can also clear the cache of the Facebook application. For that, what you have to do is launch open settings. You can see over here settings has been opened. You'll be able to find several options over here. Simply tap on the option apps. Now you'll be led to the apps interface. Over here what you have to do is find the application for Facebook. Once you find it, simply tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the app info interface of Facebook. You'll be able to find several options over here. Simply tap on the option storage and cache. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the storage interface. You'll be able to find the options for manage space and clear cache over here. Simply tap on the option clear cache. Now the cache of your application will be cleared. Now go back to the Facebook app and try logging into your account. Now you might be able to receive the code. If you still do not receive the code, what you can do is try turning off the spam protection. So for that, what you have to do is launch open messages on your device. Once the messages application has been opened, make sure to tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. After that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. Tap on the option messages settings that you can see at second last. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. Over here, what you have to do is find the option for spam protection. Once you find it, simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to the spam protection interface. You can see over here right now spam protection is enabled, so toggle off this button. Now once the spam protection has been disabled, you might be able to receive the login code. After doing that too, if you're not being able to receive the login code, what you can do is contact the Facebook support. They can provide you further assistance and you'll be able to receive the login code. So that is how you fix Facebook login code not received. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.